Sunday night, Sunday night. Sunday night.
And she's looking fine.
Sunday night, don't you worry about nada. Javier got you hooked up in his 61 Impala with the top down. Looks mean with the top up, turn the volume up, it's the homie. Cruising to Sunday night, feed me oldies, called the radio station. Made a dedication to my Aina, to my Chula, to my Vieja, to my Ruca. It's a Sunday and we're cruising. Some are barbecuing, having a good time, that's what it's all about, so that's what we're doing. Little Robbie oldie man, some said that I'm the only man who can make a rap jam without messing up the oldie jam. Some Ralphie Pagan, some Joe Batan, Mary Wells, Linda Jones, and the list goes on and on, on and on. Cruising in a bomba, wow, Javier the X-Man, playing all them hard to find, feed me rola. Got me hugged up with my chica, aquí estoy, it's a little Rob, San Diego Rifa. Speed it up, that's how I'm flowing in. Sick on the mic, coming out when the feast come out, I peace them out. Take them home, do my thing, say goodbye, and I peace them out. What you mean? South till the next time we're freaking out. I'm bouncing low riders, yeah, we tweak them out. Turn up the volume, disturbing the peace, but now we get loud, way louder than police allow. Break the law, making sure the bass shakes the ground. Put them cracks up on the wall, cucarachas crawl. My hip-hop, you don't stop, no, not at all. Nope, I party till I fall. Catch me bobbing my head, tapping one foot against the wall. Bumping down, bouncing low riders, yeah, we tweak them out. Bumping down, bouncing low riders, yeah, we tweak them out. Bumping down, bouncing low riders, yeah, we tweak them out. Bumping down to the young, yeah. Give them a little bit, then they want all of it. It's too much to handle, homeboy, they can't swallow it. Brown bandana, mic in my mano. In the other hand, got a paper bag with a bottle in it. More bounce to the ounce as I bounce down the block in the 6'3", Impala got it locked up. But there's still one more. Pancake it, then bounce all four off the floor. Scrape in, catch me breaking something. Low ride like backyard parties, homie, we keep them jumping. Bouncing like Roger Troutman, the fingers on the talk box. West Coast hip-hop pot shots. Like a full rack of 4-ton coils in the frente. Gotta keep it bouncing for the gente. They wanted more bounce, I'll give them more of it. It's high, but I know I can still bounce over it.